Hello and welcome to Backup for Workgroups. We're going to show you how easy it is to install Backup for Workgroups to back up a small business server that's running Small Business Server 2008. To begin with, we have a computer. This is a Dell computer that is installed with Small Business Server 2008. And what we did to begin with is we added a second drive. The operating system drive is drive C, and we added a 1 terabyte drive, drive X, which currently is empty but formatted NTFS, that we intend to back up the small business server, including Exchange, onto this drive X. So in order to do that, first thing you're going to want to do is download the software. So we'll bring up Internet Explorer. We'll go to our website, www.backup-for-workgroups.com. Go to download, enter your name, your company name, and your email. Then press the Begin Download button and press Run. Internet Explorer will download a copy of the Backup for Workgroups setup program. It's a small setup program, about 8 megs, so it downloads pretty quickly. When the download is complete, you're usually prompted with the security check, and it says Backup for Workgroups is from Lockstep Systems, so yes, we will continue. And we're also going to close Internet Explorer, and you see the Backup for Workgroups setup screen. You have the license agreement here, and I'm going to go ahead and say yes, I agree to the license agreement and install Backup for Workgroups. At this point, Backup for Workgroups is now installed on the computer, and it's checking to see whether or not there is a previous installation in case you're doing a reinstall. Since we just want to back up just the small business server to the X drive that's already on this computer, we're going to choose the first button. If we had several computers in a network, we choose the middle option, or if we're reinstalling, we choose the bottom item. So we're going to hit Next. Backup for Workgroups has scanned the computer, found that it has a C and an X drive. We're choosing X, which is our 1 terabyte drive that we added to the computer with the intent to store the backup data. We hit Finish, and that's the entire process of installing Backup for Workgroups. At this point, we're ready to begin the backup. If we press the Backup Now button, we'll run the pre-setup backup set called All Local Drives, which will back up the entire computer and store the backup data on the backup drive we selected. Thank you very much. That concludes the process of installing Backup for Workgroups.